Hello, welcome to the channel. In this video, we are going to talk about how to change code for garage entry keypad for Liftmaster garage opener. So in this one, first you have to enter the current code. So now I will enter 1, 2, 3, 4. And then when you press hash button, the garage motor opener will click twice. That means it's reading new code. And then enter your new code. So I will use 0000 and press the button enter. Then the garage motor will click once. That means the garage code has been changed. Now we will test if the code has been changed. So to close the garage door, just press the enter button and the garage door will close. So now I will enter the original code that I had for the first. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And I pressed enter and it didn't open. So the new code 0000 and press enter and garage door is opening. So this please always check that the code has been changed and tested, so you can be sure that the code has been changed. Thanks for watching, and if you like the video, please subscribe to the channel. I post video every week related to house maintenance and common house issues. Thank you.